This thing's a lot faster than any Volvo I've ever owned. What's up guys, it's Drifts and Lifts here, and welcome back to the Drifts and Lifts Epic Volvo Drift YouTube channel. I'm a little bit hungover, my voice hurts right now, so sorry if I'm a little slow today. But we got a really cool episode for you guys today. So we were just at Post Haste Performance here in Chilliwack, BC, my hometown. We got a bunch of cool shit happening. So we got my friend Kyle with this first gen Cummins over there. And we're gonna be dynoing that truck and seeing what kind of numbers it makes. I'll go over the setup on it once we have it in the shop. I'll show you guys under the hood and stuff. If you've been watching my channel, you've seen this on other videos. Kyle did the roll pans for me. Now, we come to this car. I got my other friend Kyle here, and this is his Toyota Soarer, and it makes a buttload of power. So they just got it tuned. It has a Borg Warner SX300 turbo on it. It made 502 on the to the wheels on the dyno. So I've never been in this car. Kyle's gonna take me for a rip right now, and we're gonna come along with the GoPro. So this should be really fun. I'm super excited. And then we're gonna see how much that that first gen puts down on the dyno. So should be a good time. All right guys, so luckily it is dry out right now, so we're gonna be able to get a little bit of traction. Kyle's gonna put it on high boost for me, and we're gonna send it. We're gonna keep it under 100 kilometers an hour. Yeah. Thumbs up. Holy fuck, dude. Holy fuck. Good luck, bud. That top end pull, hey? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, dude. Hopefully there's like a nice opening. Alright guys, so Jesus Christ, dude. This thing's so fast. Holy fuck. Oh man. That's awesome. Good for you. That's fucking dirty, dude. Oh my good lord. All right, so a huge shout out to my man Kyle here for the pull in his beautiful Soarer. So yeah, that's what 502 to the wheels feels like, I guess. Now everything I drive in is gonna feel really slow after that, which I'm kind of bummed about. But that's all right, so yeah, good times. It's got the carbon fiber hood here. I'll let Kyle do the opening. Oh, there's the goods. Oh man, that's so nice. Yeah. It's definitely a good sized turbo. External gate. Very, very cool. All right guys, so make sure to check out the Drifts and Lifts store if you want your Volvo Drift Pilsner, Volvo Drift Ale, Volvo Drift Stout beer merchandise. That's gonna be a wrap up for today's video. Like and subscribe for Volvo Cellulite. Peace out.